Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to crochet a really simple stitch. This is a variation of a single stitch, so it is perfect for anyone who doesn't want to use the basic stitches in their work. And this is how it looks like on the other side. Alright, let's get started. To begin the pattern, make a slip knot, insert your hook, and make a foundation chain. It can be in any number. And I'm making a chain of 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To begin round 1, on the second chain, 1, 2, this one, place a single crochet, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. To begin the next stitch, insert the hook into the previous chain, pull up a loop, then insert into the next chain, pull up a loop with 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Again, insert into the previous chain, pull up a loop, insert into the next chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. And repeat this all the way to the end. And I'll meet you at the end of the round. At the end of the round, I have 1 chain left. Insert into the previous chain, pull up a loop, insert into the last chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 3 loops. 1 chain, and turn to begin the next round. On the first stitch, single crochet. And repeat what we just did on the last round. Insert into the previous stitch, pull up a loop, insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. And again. Basically, this is all you have to do, and repeat this all the way to the end. Repeat this round for as many times as needed for your project. And that's all for today. I hope you liked today's tutorial. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to support this channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!